In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video faster in Shotcut. If you want to create a time-lapse effect, condense a long screen recording, or simply pick up the pace of a clip, this is one of the quickest adjustments you can make in Shotcut. We'll keep it simple and stick to what you need so you can get results right away. Assuming your clip is already on the timeline, start by right-clicking directly on that clip. From the menu that appears, choose Properties. This opens the Properties panel, which is where you can change how your clip behaves without needing extra filters or complicated settings. In the Properties panel, look for the Speed option. By default, it's set to 1. That means your video is playing at its original real-time speed. To make the video play faster, increase that number. For example, changing it to 2 will make it play twice as fast, 3 will triple the speed, and so on. Try values like 3, 4, or depending on how fast you want the footage to move. After entering your chosen value, click Apply to confirm the change. Once you apply the new speed, take a look at the timeline. You'll notice the clip becomes shorter, which is expected because the same content is now being played back in less time. Now, preview your clip in the player, hit play, and you should see the video moving faster, matching the speed value you set. If the preview seems a bit choppy, don't worry, that can be a playback performance issue and doesn't necessarily reflect the final export. A quick note about audio. When you speed up the clip, the audio speeds up too, which naturally raises the pitch and shortens the sound. That's normal for this type of adjustment. If your clip is purely visual, you're all set. If there is audio, just be aware of how it will sound at a higher speed. If you're unsure which speed value works best, test a few numbers and preview each one. Smaller increases like 2 can keep motion smoother, while higher values like 5 create a dramatic time-lapse effect. Pick the one that fits your project style and pacing. And that's it. Right-click the clip, open Properties, increase the speed above 1, click Apply, and preview the result. You've just made your video faster in Shotcut. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.